which may live in infamy in parts of these areas. Maybe not the big cities per se, but suburban areas, Scranton, Pennsylvania, Binghamton, New York, could really get blasted by this one. As far as snowfall so far this year, you've had double your annual snow in Boston, and we still have, what, about 18 days left of winter time, at least winter weather. New York City, 45 inches versus an average of 26 to 28. And here we go again, as the saying goes. Low now around Savannah, tracking up to about the Chesapeake, emerging offshore the Delmarva Peninsula, then tracking up a little bit east of Cape Cod. With that increasing wind, increasing rain for the immediate coast, even Cape Cod, Long Island, South Jersey should see a fairly substantial area of rainfall. And as far as our low center goes, it comes off the coast right around Rehoboth Beach, Delaware tomorrow morning. Very windy conditions as well, coastal flood warnings. For now, warnings and watches up from central New Jersey down to the South Carolina, North Carolina border. Storm warnings up as well for very strong winds that could gust as high as 65 to 70 miles per hour, circulating around our developing area below pressure. Snowfall, a real crippling storm for the interior. Now, as far as what has occurred, we've had our heavier snow southwest of Washington, around Stanton, Harrisonburg, Virginia, as much as 8 inches. Washington, D.C., around 3 to 5 across the area. We've had some good snows up to about the Mason-Dixon line, and now the snow really starting to pick up around the Lehigh Valley, Allentown, into Newark and into the New York City suburbs, especially from the Hudson River west. Well, here's our forecast. It looks like, again, heavy snow. This goes until 7 o'clock Thursday morning. Believe it or not, there's going to be more beyond this period, especially from south central PA northbound. New York City itself, probably 4 to 6 inches, then mixing with and turning over to some rainfall, and then probably turning back over to snowfall later on tomorrow. Already, as mentioned, Stanton, Virginia, 8 inches, Harrisonburg around 7, Washington around 3 to 5 across the area. The rainfall as well making big headlines in Florida. Tallahassee, 8¼ inches of rain. It looks as though you're going to start drying out today, though. Atlanta's had over 2 inches. And as far as the rough weather, tornado watch continues in the areas in the red. Now for the forecast, here's Marnie.
Thanks, Bill, and we'll continue to watch for folks in South Florida as far as tornadoes go. We have had reports of some tornadoes this morning around Charlotte County near Fort Myers and also up near Ocala, so we can't rule it out. That watch has been posted for a good reason, so just keep in tune with us and we'll keep you posted on what we expect to happen. By tomorrow morning, you'll be fine in South Florida, but you still could have some snow in parts of the mountains. We're talking about heavy snow northwest and west of the city of Philadelphia, a possibility of up to 16+ inches of snow, so a major snowstorm will wind up the coast with windy weather, lots of snow, coastal flooding, the works. This is, of course, our big story. We'll continue to track the storm for you throughout the day today, so please stay tuned to the Weather Channel for further details on our nor'easter.